Hello guys, today we're gonna do unboxing. We'll be unboxing the HD light. The HD light. So let's open it. Let's open it, boys. Well, guys, today we're gonna open this package. Let's open it, boy. I wonder where we open it. Open this. Bam. So this is it. So, and those are the chargers. And this is that's important. Let's see what's over here. Oh, cool.
Oh yeah, you can open it. But careful, okay? We're gonna put it inside here. Look. Did you look at here?
Okay.
See?
Okay. Where do we? What is that? We're gonna turn off the lights. So to use this, you want to see what's happened? Are you excited? Okay. First, we gotta turn off the lights. Let's turn it off. That's dark, huh? Now. Is this?
I think so.
Wait.
Oh.
What? Look, that's cool. Have you ever seen that before? So that's it. You see those stars and stuff? Yeah. But, oh, can it spin? I did it. Can it spin? Can it spin? See that? Look up there. Look, that's moving up there. Small, big, small, big, small, big. Do you like that, buddy? You like that? You like it, huh? Yeah. Heart or like? Okay. It's done today. See you in the next vlog. Bye. Bye.